Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I'm going to reveal to you how you can check the storage size in your Gmail account really quickly. For example, if you'd like to find out how much space you have still left in your inbox to store more emails. So let us get started right away. Now, as you can see guys, I'm inside my Gmail inbox and I have more than 3,300 emails in my inbox stored. So time for a short cleanup now. As you can see, I don't see how much space I have still left in my storage here in my inbox to the left. If that's the case also for you guys, and if you don't see that information, simply follow my instructions. Click on that gear icon top right corner and select See All Settings here to access your email inbox settings. And here at the top, switch from the General tab to the Inbox tab here. And here inside your Inbox tab, scroll down to the very bottom. And here in the bottom left corner, you will see an information about your storage. As you can see, I have an overall storage of 15 GB and I'm currently using only up to 4% of these 15 GB, which is actually not too much. So these 3,500 emails are taking up only 4% of these 15 GB of storage. And that's how you check your storage size on Gmail, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.